Solidworks is an engineering design software which helps to simulate the person's ideas and more easily to produce. Click on the new menu to display the three main software environments. But Solidworks actually consists of four main menus. The sketch environment is also a subset of the part environment and is located inside it. The first environment is part. That used for two-dimensional sketching and three-dimensional modeling of parts. The name of the second environment is assembly. That used to assemble the components previously modeled on part environment. And the last environment is drawing. To provide engineering drawings and manufacturing drawings of parts and assemblies and mechanisms. To get started, enter the part environment. This is the menu bar. Pull down menus and the most of application commands is here. This is the command manager. Access to the part, assembly, and drawing commands is here. Depending on you are in which environment, the commands in this area will be changed. This is the design tree. It's shown you the history of actions taken on the model in order of priority. This is status bar. This is head-up view toolbar. And graphic area. This is the workspace of your model. In the View menu and Display, there are 5 different modes of displaying the model. We review these different modes very quickly on the model. The first, wireframe. Second, hidden line visible. Third, hidden line removed. Fourth, shaded with edges. And finally, shaded. Now we are reviewing the shortcuts for working with models in the graphic area. For rotate the model, press the roller of the mouse and drag it. For zoom in and zoom out, rotate the roller of the mouse. Or press Shift button then press the roller of the mouse and drag it. For pan the model, press Ctrl button then press the roller of the mouse and drag it. In orientation, that shortcut is space button. You can watch the model from your view that you want.